All right, so we now have her prepared. We've put in a little bit of Novocaine where we're entering, and I've just done a few landmarks here to help me. This is what the cannula looks like. You can see how tiny it is, okay, very thin, and this is what Radiesse looks like. I said it looks like toothpaste, and that's what it looks like. All right, so now we're going to get started, and I put in a tiny little poke mark, and now you can see. There we go, and then we're just going to lay down a little layer, and we're going to go next to it, and we're going to go next to it, create some lifting. Okay, and that's almost half the syringe. Okay, right there. A little bit more. Good. All right. Now we're going to go back to here, and you can see the difference, how flat she still is on the left side that we haven't treated, and you can see the improvement here already. And we're going to sit her up so you can see even better. Just a little bit of molding. We like to mold our fillers, make sure they're nice and smooth. All right. And so you can see she's nice and bulked up here, and where she's still flat on this side, it's given her some nice definition. We'll do a little bit of molding right here yet. So this is a half syringe of Radiesse, and we're going to put the other half now. All right, so this is Dr. Eric Donor, the New York Skin and Vein Center, Binghamton, Oneonta, Norwich. Hope to see you soon.